All right. What is the value of the following limit? Ooh. That's all calculus is. What do you think a derivative is? It's just a special limit. What is an integral? It's just another special limit. I did not have Cusick.
Every exam, what is calculus the study of? Or in some form, calculus, and the answer will be calculus is the study of what? Every single exam.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
You don't know how to do this.
Oh, do you love L'Hopital's?
This is a L'Hopital. This is an L hospital problem. This is L'Hopital's rule. Why is it L'Hopital's rule? What happens if I just plug in 0? No. You get 0. This is an indeterminate form, 0 over 0. So L'Hopital's rule tells me that I take the derivative of the top and then the derivative of the bottom. So I propose then that this equals the limit as x approaches 0 of the derivative of the sine of 5x over the derivative of x. Now, what's the derivative of the top? Cosine 5x. 5 cosine 5x. Remember, chain rule. You take the derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. So we have 5 cosine 5x. Then the derivative of the bottom is, so we can now plug it in. That's the nice thing about a limit, is that if you can plug it in and not get a division by 0, just plug it in. So 5 what's the cosine of 0? Okay, I'm moving this thing if I can.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.